Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on my video. Today I decided to make a vlog type video of what a day on the farm looks like. Today the baby cows got released into the paddock for the first time. One of them ran into the fence and later on another one licked the fence. So I got all that on film, which was great. One bonus feature that I did not expect to film today was the baby horse kicking inside its mom. So that was cool. There are a few clips in between all that, moving and feeding the horses, playing with the dogs, all that fun stuff. So I hope you enjoy, and if you like seeing this kind of stuff on my channel, feel free to let me know. Hey cows. You ready for your new home? Oh, don't! He licked it. He licked my GoPro, yeah. Oh, watch. This one does. Okay. Probably slobbery now. Gross cows. Yeah. Gross cows. Gross cows. Hey, bud. Where are they, huh? Where are they? I hear them. Oh, there they are. Here, sweetie, want me to get it?
Oh, sure. Actually, that'd be great.
I came to help, but I guess I was too late. Oh, jeez.
Very helpful. Dad, release the mini first.
Just unclip her?
Yep, just unclip the lead line.
Hey.
And then we'll at least the other one at the same time.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Because Libby's gonna go. Yep.
Autumn!
I know Libby's gonna run. And you know that one is too. There she goes.
Mom Nono's like,
Yeah.
grass.
I'm good.
Hey, bud.
Look out. Yeah, that's how you keep hurting yourself, Mare. I actually haven't seen it. I know that. Oh, do you see that lead change there? Jeez, Libby, why can't you do that when I want you to? This is her idea.
Here comes Storm.
What?
Can you grab a stick or something to unspool this?
How big is it?
You actually can probably put a finger in it. Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, that's so much nicer. Why is he over there, huh, bud? Can you escape? Can you go see him? Want a stick? He ran away from it. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, Milo. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Speak. Speak. Good boy. And a rollover. You always got to do something extra, eh? Swim, Milo, swim. Swim in the air. He actually did it. Is that a new trick, huh? Is that a new trick? Hey, goofball. Let go. Let go of my glove. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
they'll probably end up spilling all the grain. But
Watch out.
really,
Hey, it's okay.
I don't think anybody cleaned it up when it got brought in.
I don't even know how to do this. Persistent. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're fine.
There you go. Thank you. Hurt. Okay, we're going. Let's go. You're okay. Oh gosh. Come on. You're okay. Come on, Chuck. You're okay. Come on. Don't fall. Don't fall again. Come on.
Are you guys ready?
Come on.
Today your lives will change
Ooh.
forever.
Watch the trailer. Stay back, Milo. There you go. That's a dandelion.
Having a lot of fun.
I don't need you stirring them up. Any more than they are.
You're good. Come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Come on, guys.
Come on. Autumn's not sure.
Walk them around the perimeter. Okay.
Come on.
Go in there. Go in there.
Come on, Chuck. Why are you afraid of it? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Look it. You got trees. These are your trees now. Don't eat that. Hey, no, don't do that while I'm holding you. Oh, you're okay, Chuck. You're okay. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it scared us both. Don't touch it yet. You'll find out about that later. Jeez. Yeah, that was close. Don't touch that. You're gonna get zapped. It's just Milo. You're okay. Come on.
Alright, are you ready?
Hey, hold on. Hold on. Do it at the same time so nobody gets too jazzed here. Ready?
Yeah.
You guys,
Oh!
Yeah, that's why you have cage fence.
Good lord. Cows are down.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Pretty hard.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Another pail, just so that they have something.
yeah, throw me one of those. Right now.
Whole bunch of clean pails. Oh, underneath.
Oh, sorry, Milo. Sneezed on him.
Stay behind.
Here.
Autumn's like, what are those things? I don't know if she knows battle or not. I have no idea.
Here. Ow, that's my finger. Thanks. Thanks for that. The bug's already at you, eh? It's okay, Stormy. It's okay, Storm.
Oh, Stormy, it's okay.
It's okay, buddy.
Come here.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, jeez. What's going on there, TJ? Ooh.
They're the same as the horses, but essentially.
Oh, you're as big as they are.
Yeah, he is, isn't he?
Look at that.
That's hilarious.
You don't like it, do you? It's okay. It's a cow. Come here. Here, Storm. Look, it's just a cow. It's just a cow. It's just a cow. Oh. Whoa. Okay, I'll leave. You realize he was cornered and he looked right at me like he was gonna run. Scary. Oh, it's okay. Meow. Hi. Hi. See cows. Oh yeah? He's licking it. That's what I do.
Are you getting her now?
Oh.
Thank you for being a
You're welcome. Me? I'll do this one now? Your dad has pink.
Does it matter? Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Okay. Come on, Mare.
Man, she's really getting big.
I know, right?
But that could be because it's getting close.
Yeah. So Kelly took some pictures. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let him loose. Stand back. I'm excited.
Should I go put that one back up?
Yes, please.
Oh yeah, I guess that feeds the cows now. I know. Hey. Hey.
That one Aero breathing. I know. In the last bit. Oh, I always give him first. That's probably why.
You want that? Don't play with it. I'm gonna give it to Aero in a sec. Oh, it's okay, Tank. No, Aero. You done?
Good girl.
Okay, you're done. You're done. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just saw something stick out.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, felt it right here. That's cool.
Cool, eh?
Yeah.
I think